Hey everyone, this is Chainbreaker. I'm back. I'm here with Burger King. My daughter and I eating. This is what she's eating right here. Hold on for just a second. Nuggets, chicken fries, and French fries. And what you got? The drink? We both got one of those. What are those called? The strawberry? No, what they call cherry something. And mine is fries. And I got the Whopper again. Okay. You know what? I guess I can rotate this thing when I video it. Y'all, this thing just won't do right. Are y'all able to see me? You see how these things just won't do right? I be trying not to edit y'all. I don't care what y'all see. I might as well be live. Because I'm tired of editing, okay? So, if I don't have to edit, I'm not editing. How y'all doing again? Can y'all tell I got on the same shirt? We eating dinner at Whataburger. I mean, Lord have mercy, I want some Whataburger. I was trying to think about Whopper, but we had Burger King. I'm always messing up a name in them. Somebody had me thinking about Whataburger. I've been craving for one. Montgomery got one over there East Chase. And I had been craving for Whataburger. We went and ate the breakfast. Okay. It took us forever to finally get to the lunch. Did we ever get a Whataburger? You ain't ever had one, have you? Lord have mercy. I don't even know if you ever had one. I mean, don't get me wrong. I used to go to them all the time in Tallahassee. I was telling my daughter about them. So when we finally got one in Montgomery, we could never eat, catch the lunch break or the dinner break because it's way over on the other side of town. So we caught the breakfast, and the breakfast was jacked up one day. We were on our way to Atlanta for her birthday. They jacked up the order. They made me mad. Had me fussing on my child's birthday. She like, I don't want to ever go to Whataburger again. They missed my birthday. But we gonna go. But anyway, y'all. Here's this big old hunk of love Whataburger. I done things. I'm gonna keep on doing the same thing over and over. I know y'all probably saying, you done Whataburger. Well, guess what? It's been a minute, and some people eat Whataburger every day. If I say Whataburger one more time, some people eat Whoppers every day. You know, when I was in Tallahassee, going to college, I used to eat a Whopper so much, y'all. I didn't eat a Whopper for years. I think back then it was 99 cents. $0.99, y'all. And look, let me show y'all something. You see this Whopper right here? How it has that white stuff on it. To me, that's flour or something. And I'm gonna tell you something. I'm picking it off right now. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I think that taste made me not want a Whopper ever again. Now I'm picking this off because I'm afraid it's gonna do me like that again. I don't know what kind of buns they're cooking where that flour is on there like that. And it's show flour. Look at that, I done picked it up. Lord help me. Let me go and eat this thing. Mmm. Mm. The fries are hot and good. But y'all will not believe, we in the parking lot of Burger King eating Burger King, but we looking at all the Wendy's. We parked right here looking at all the Wendy's people come through Wendy's. And Wendy's okay when you're doing that 4 for 4. I think what they got, the 5 and the 6% now. But Wendy's or Burger King, I can easily get sick of. As y'all get older, you're gonna go through phases. When you're young, you can never get enough burgers, fries, all that. But as you get older, if you were born in the country like me, y'all, some of y'all probably don't know what I'm talking about. But we were born with eating collard greens, all that kind of stuff like that. You go back to your roots when you get older. Plus, you realize as you get older, you need your vegetables. Some of y'all young kids, probably like my daughter, y'all won't never know what it's like to be raised with collard greens. Now she do eat cabbages a lot. Y'all want back? Mm. Mm. If you catch Burger King right, these Whoppers on point. Mm. Mm. Let me see how this tastes. I never had one. Y'all not gonna be able to comment on this thing because I'm gonna make it for kids, because kids the one like these burgers, honey. When I eat stuff like this, I try to make the video for kids because they the main one want to see what the burger is and what's going on with hamburgers. You grown-ups may watch, but the kids may definitely watch. And God knows I need some watch hours. Thanks to YouTube. So let me see how it tastes, little kitties. You know how you let it melt too, some? But you can drink a little bit. What's this? Oh, we thought we had mango. This mango? Try this on little mango. This tastes like cherry to me. I don't know. You may make a lie to me. I might can taste the mango, but why is it red, y'all? Should mango be orange?
It was something mango. I don't know.
Honey. Oh, it was mixed mango or something. Whatever, child. I think it might do taste like mango, but either way, it's good, okay? And it's hot today. Therefore, honey, it's right on time. So, yes, the Whopper. And what she got? Chicken fries. She said they good. And the chicken nuggets are good. So you can't go wrong. Mmm. Mmm. I'll eat onion. Mmm. If you like onions, honey, please come to Burger King. Look at this onion. And I ate some of them. Big old fry. Mmm, it's still hot. Mmm. Oh, excuse me. Pickles, onion, tomatoes, lettuce, mustard, ketchup, whatever. Mmm. And get hot. My 13-year-old daughter be acting like Secret Service because she really embarrassed that I'm doing the channel. She remind me so much of B-Love son Darius. Oh, they remind me so much of like how B-Love caught it with that boy. Now he acting all grown and stink. But if y'all watch B-Love, the woman with the seafood, if y'all look at them things when she first came out, honey, she caught it with trying to make him the cameraman. She kept, Darius said, he got so mad, she kept calling him the cameraman. I'm gonna make my daughter the camera woman. Somebody gonna start being a camera person because this too much. This is trying to do too much. Don't y'all get mad at those YouTubers, content creators, whatever they call themselves. Don't get mad and jealous when they have somebody who do their videos, somebody and do this and do that for them. Like old school, honey. I know the young kids might not watch him, but some of the older people here. Old school, he has a cooking show. Honey, old school do everything old school, honey. Now he new school. I think he done hired a whole staff, honey. He big time. But I don't blame him. Because they definitely said it right when they call themselves content creators. Excuse me, because y'all, I'm here to tell you, this is not easy as it look. And I work an 8-hour job and try to raise a child. Try, please. If y'all don't be quiet and take these videos and support a sister, I know something. And when I become prime time, when y'all come at me and say, I remember you when you used to do your own videos and you struggle and all that. Now you done hired somebody. I'll be like, yeah. And if you want to do it, yeah, do it. Because, honey, I'm going to get somebody else to do it. This can be a lot. But you got to look past all this and look down the line and see the silver lining, honey. You know what they say? This too shall pass. Turn them things down. I can hear them over here. I hope they can't hear them. She got her ear thing on. I can hear them over here. But anyway. Mmm. 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 The onion. It makes the salmon so good. Mmm. But hey, my jaw's tired from chewing them. Y'all want some more? Here. I'm saying I never gave you anything. Here. Mm. Y'all. And these only $1? Now we all know they ain't no good for you. But y'all, this thing is big to be $1. On a hot day, I think they got McDonald's beef. McDonald's sweet tea, what? $1.39 or something like that? Y'all, $1. If you don't come to Burger King and nothing else, on a hot day, come by here and get your child $1. Honey, they got McDonald's beef. They got everybody beat. Everybody. Well, these supposed to be mango. They got cherry. They got Coke. Burger King. Now, you did that. You know, it's summertime, too. It's going to be popping and hot. With these choking burger. That was a good move, Burger King. I give up. You need more ketchup? But yeah, like I was telling y'all, my daughter want to be Secret Service, honey. She's scared to talk or say the wrong thing. Yeah. She act like she don't want to be on the thing. Oh, y'all hang in there. Hang in there, watch. She'll be in front of the camera after a while. Watch. Right now, she embarrassed her mother's doing this. But you wait till I get good and I start really getting some good content and this channel start blowing up. But y'all done claimed it. In the name of Jesus, it is going to blow up. Because y'all going to start subscribing. And watching the video. And so I already know it's going to blow up. But watch she start making appearances. She going to be just like that old stinking Darius was to be loved. Oh, I watched that Polo child grow up. And grow up he did. I'm so proud of him. He's so much of a man now. You know, he has grown or he's matured so much. But I watched him and even B Love used to have to tell everybody. He just 16, y'all. He just 16. Oh, I'm so glad she made people see that because he did make me mad sometimes too. I used to get mad at him too until she explained that. I said, you know what? She's right. I didn't think about that either. The child was just a baby. That's what happens when y'all put your children on TV. People was coming at Polo Darius. But anyway, he handled it like a champ. And now he laughing all the way to the bank at y'all. and his whatever he is in, his Mercedes and his Arizona degree. He done gotten, honey, he laughing at y'all all the way to the bank now. So you see how that happens? Y'all talk about that poor child like a dog. And he is balling. And you barely carrying the ball. Hey, that's why y'all hang in there. My YouTubers hang in there. It's gonna pay off. Hang in there. Let the people talk about you. And you know we as black people, we raw. We gonna go in on you anyway. So, you know, people call it thick skin. I call it, can you get me pregnant? Do you pay my bills? You gonna marry me? I mean, you know what I'm saying? I just look at it like that these people are never gonna be that close to me that they talk about you like a dog. So they wouldn't even bother me. I mean, I read it. I probably even laugh at it because I'm a comedian to my heart. I really am. So if you crack on me hard enough, I'm probably gonna laugh. Hey, if it's funny, it's funny. But if it's mean spirit, you the one gonna be looking crazy, not me. You know, and when I get my lovely liberator staff up, cause I'm chain breaker, and you followers gonna be my lovely liberators. That's the name my daughter gave y'all. And when they come for you, they're not gonna be so lovely. So I'm not worried about it. But anyway, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna drink one more time. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm trying to let my Vegas video get out first before I talk about Vegas. I want to talk about it, y'all, because let me tell y'all something. I got some stories to tell y'all. Y'all are going to trip on our Vegas trip. We stayed an entire week, 4 sisters with children and grandchildren. So you know we got some stories to tell. But anyway, hopefully tonight I'm going to work on it hard because we finally got it just the way we want it. But the doggone thing won't upload. I couldn't get the upload today. I'm hoping to get upload tonight. And when I get that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to do another mukbang or eating or something. And I'm going to tell y'all about my stories about us in Vegas. Y'all going to get y'all good laugh. Anyway, and some things are not going to be funny. Okay. But anyway, y'all take care. I love you. And remember, God loves you too.